Hello there. We're going to explore the Magento 2 OTP extension. It helps store owners verify their customers. Lets you send one-time passwords via email and SMS, with optional Twilio integration for enhanced authentication. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. We are now on the admin panel and have successfully logged in as the admin. To enable the module for the front end, go to Stores and click on the Configuration option. Under the settings, the admin needs to select the one-time password OTP option. To enable the module on the front end, select Yes. To enable OTP validation during customer registration, also select Yes. The admin can configure additional settings such as OTP validation for customer login, password recovery, and checkout. The admin can also select the payment methods that require OTP verification. Additionally, OTP expiry time and resend OTP duration can be customized as well. Lastly, the admin can set up Twilio authentication to send OTPs via SMS to the customer's registered phone number. After setting up all the configurations, click on the Save Configuration button. The module settings have been successfully saved. Now, we will move to the customer dashboard and check the OTP validation during customer registration. Go to the Create an Account page and fill in the required details, such as first name, last name, and email ID. Select the dialing code and enter the phone number. Then enter the password. After completing all the fields, click on the Create an Account button. The OTP has been sent to the registered phone number as well as the entered email ID. Enter the OTP and click on the Submit button. The registration on the website has been successfully completed. Now, we will move to the product page. Go to the product page and click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to the cart page. Enter the address, fill in the company name, select the state, city, and enter the zip code and phone number. After filling in all the details, click on the Next button. Then select the payment method and click on the Place Order button. The OTP has now been sent to the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click on the Submit button. The order has been successfully placed. Next, we will check the OTP validation for the Forgot Password process. Go to the Sign-In page and click on the Forget Your Password option. Enter the email ID or phone number, then click on the Reset My Password button. As we can see, the OTP has been sent. Enter the OTP and click on the Submit button. The password reset process has been successfully completed. A success message is displayed. If an account is associated with the provided email ID, an email with a password reset link has been sent. Now, we will check the OTP validation during customer login. Enter the email ID or phone number, then enter the password and click on the Sign In button. Enter the OTP and click on the Submit button. As we can see, the login was successful. That's all about this module. So, this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.